How to delete blank pages in Google Docs. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking how to do so, blank pages in Google Docs make our document very look messy and unprofessional. So if you do not remove them, formatted issues can appear when sharing or printing. So let's fix it. So for that, we can go to Google Docs. You may open up any of the browser for that and type in Google Docs and hit enter. And when you do, you'll be finding the official site from Google Workspace. You may open it up on your screen and sign in if you have not done that. And once we do so, we'll be finding our documents available. We can head over the documents in which we're having the issue, or let's say we want to remove the blank page. So for example, let's say this is a page for me. So once you are headed over to the page, what you need to do is we need to go over and look out for the view option in the top menu, select it, and select this option for showing non-printing characters, which is optional, but you can do so. And this will show you line breaks and page breaks that is causing the blank pages. Now you can place the cursor at the very end of the page, very end. You can just go and do so like this and go ahead. And once we are headed over there, what we can do is we can press the blank space or the delete option like this. And when we do, we can find the page removed. So I earlier had 3 pages. Right now you can see I only have 2 pages available. You can directly use that method in order to go ahead and delete up a page. This is one of the easiest way possible. Apart from that, if you have a blank page, so for example, if you have a blank page available here and it has tables, images, or drawings pushing content, you can reduce the spacing or resize the object and confirm it up. That should also remove it. If not this, you can go to file option at the top and select the option for page setup. So select file and look out for the option for page setup. And once we do so, we can just go over and look out for our size as well, and the margins, etc. And make sure the bottom margin, this one right here, is not too large. You can set it to default, sometimes even 0, and click on OK and apply it up, and that should also remove it. And that's it. Now blank pages are gone, making our Google Docs very clean and professional. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.